Ah, the salad talks from Keeping Up with the Kardashians. If you watch the show, you'll probably recognize this scene. Their impact on the food world pretty much is summed up in a single dish. It's a giant leafy salad served up in a signature plastic bowl. Well, Lisa Danielson is joining me through the screen, sharing all of the details on how to make this big bowl salad at home. Lisa, how are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm good. I don't admittedly watch this show, but what made you want to recreate the Kardashian salad?
Well, every time they're eating it, I can't help but wonder what is
Yeah.
in that salad. It looks good, but I thought they looks like they eat the same thing close to every time they're filming. So I
Okay.
was just super curious.
Yeah, we love those food routines. It seems the most iconic part of the dish is actually the bowl that it's served in. What's the deal with the bowl?
So their bowl is a little bit different, but I wanted to find that one that was recyclable, but you can really find these on Amazon. I think what they do is they put everything in, they give it a good shake, and then they can just eat it right out of the bowl.
It's big.
It's big. Yeah, it's pretty big. It's a big salad.
That's
So,
a big bowl. All right, what goes into the base of this salad? What have you found?
okay, so it's pretty much just romaine lettuce. Now, don't forget when you add it to leave some room at the top. We've got our toppings, but you're going to want to leave some room to shake it, right?
Sure.
So,
Shake space.
yeah, shake space. I like it. So, we just got the romaine lettuce here, about 2 to 3 cups. And then we're just going to add the toppings, the veggies that they like. So, it's really a pretty simple salad. There's some shredded carrots.
Okay.
And they put a shredded chicken on top, which to me looked like rotisserie chicken.
Uh-huh.
But because I don't eat chicken, I'm just doing some edamame.
Okay, so some
But
protein of some kind.
yeah, a protein of some kind for sure. And then you've got an avocado. They love avocados. I was researching all the dishes that they like to eat and the variations, and they pretty much put avocado on everything.
And I do
So-
find women are still a little bit afraid of the avocado, like it's fresh. We know it's the good fats, but it still carries a lot of fat.
Yeah, I mean, they're calorie dense, right? Avocados are calorie dense. But as women, what we need to know is these healthy fats are what keep our brain and our hormones very healthy as we age. So it is an important fat to have
Okay.
for sure.
All right, so avocados go in. What else?
And then chow mein noodles. This is a Chinese chicken salad, is what they order at this place called Health Nut.
Uh-huh.
It's been there for about 40 years in California, and it's where they order it from. So you've got your chow mein noodles. And then are you ready for this, Brooke?
Let's hear it. Let's hear it.
Pickled ginger. Who would have thought?
What? Pickled ginger. I was going to say the chow mein noodles, I understand. Every salad needs a good crunch. What's with pickled ginger?
I've actually never had it before. I think I would swap it out for like a pickled onion because I do like the onions a little bit better, but it gives like a vinegary flavor, a little bit of like that kind of sour to the sweet and salty a little bit.
I think the deciding factor in how this will all blend together, pickled ginger considered, is going to be the dressing. How do we make the dressing?
So the dressing is a little complicated, I'm not going to lie, but I found a hack because I like hacks. I'm a busy lady. What can I say?
Yeah.
So this dressing from Amazon and Costco is about the closest you can find. It's a deep roasted sesame dressing.
Oh.
And if you wanted to package it up to go, if you wanted to take it to work one day, all you have to do is pop it in one of these 2-ounce containers,
Uh-huh.
put it in there, put the lid on, and you're good to go, right?
Yeah.
Super easy. But we're just going to dump it right on and give it a good shake.
Do you like to dress your
Eh.
salads, Lisa, or do you do the fork dip in the dressing and then stab the lettuce?
I used to do the stab. Now I dress it.
You
What
dress
can I say?
Yeah, yeah. We're evolving. We're
It just-
evolving creatures.
Exactly. And then this is the signature Kardashian shake.
There it
You
is.
just sit there and talk, and it's loud,
Uh-huh.
but you just keep shaking anyways.
You just yell over the sound of the lettuce bouncing around in the bowl. It seems
Yeah.
this would be one that, I mean, once you dress it, maybe a different story, but it seems it could be a salad that just kind of sits in the fridge that maybe you make a big batch of, a big bowl of, and then it becomes your mom lunch Monday through Wednesday.
100%. And these ingredients are so simple that you could just have them in your fridge, put them together, stick them in, and then you have lunch in about three and a half seconds.
We're calling it the big bowl salad inspired by the famous family. We I don't know, love to hate,
That's
whatever.
right.
Whatever side you fall on, we're inspired by their salad eating habits. Lisa, where can we get more recipe ideas from you?
VeggieLisa.com or Instagram at VeggieLisa.
Veggie Lisa, always inspiring us to eat healthier and to pack in those veggies. Lisa, thanks so much. We appreciate you checking in.